How to change Gmail phone number in mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change Gmail phone number in mobile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Gmail application in your mobile device, and now here navigate at the top right, then tap on your profile icon. Here you have to make sure that you are logged in with the account where you want to change your phone number from. If not, you can switch your account from here. After that, just below your profile name, tap on the Google account. Now just below your profile name, there is this menu bar. You have to swipe that to your left, then tap on security. Under security, scroll down, and there you can see the recovery phone. You have to tap on it. In order to change it, tap on the pencil icon next to your phone number. Now from here you can change your number, and once you have changed your number, simply tap on update, and with that your phone number will be changed. So that's the way to change Gmail phone number in mobile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.